guys, welcome back to our channel Qlong. How to add a variable product to the WooCommerce store. First, you have to install WooCommerce plugin. You can search for WooCommerce, then install and activate it. Then you can find the product menu and click on Add New in the WordPress dashboard sidebar. We have to give a product name that will be the product's title affecting SEO, so you can include keywords to it. Then add the product description, which is the long description that contains complete information about the product. Also, you can add the product description, which should be short, straightforward and attractive. You can use the editor there to look attractive. Then select variable product as this product has variations. In the inventory tab, you can add the SKU, the stock keeping unit, which is a code that helps to identify the product separately when there are many products for sale. Then you can put a tick to enable stock management at product level, which allows stock management and it will give notifications when the stock is low and stop the item from selling when it's out of stock. Then you can add the weight and the dimension of the product in the shipping tab. And if you have added shipping classes, you can select them here. In link products, you can search and add products for upselling and cross-selling. In the next tab, attributes, we can create variation of this product. If your product has variation of colors, you can add the attribute as color. Then we can add the variant color of the product in value tab, separating using vertical line. Then save those attributes. You can add many attributes using that tab. In this example, we have added an attribute as sizes. We can add sizes like small, medium, large and click Save. As we added 2 variations with 3 different values, here we have created 9 variations. After clicking on one variation, you can customize all the relevant information of that product from the regular prices to weight, dimension and everything. If you have a standard price for all the variations, you can select the drop-down menu, choose Set Regular Price and set the standard price. You can add an image of that colored size product one by one and can add a short description to each product. After editing all the relevant information, you can save the changes. In the right sidebar, you can select a page layout as of right sidebar, left sidebar or no sidebar. You can select a product category, and if there's no category, we can add a new one as we show here. We added a new category as t-shirts, and you can create any category according to your product. In product tags, you can insert tags to search product inside the store and improve SEO as well. One of the essential things is product image, which should be attractive for the customer as it is the first thing to see when buying the product. The other product images can be added to the product gallery, which will be the other images that customer go through before buying the product. After configuring all the details, you can now publish your variable product. After clicking on View Products, you can see the product we added just now. It shows a variable to select size and the color of the product, and after selecting it, it changes to the relevant prices and the images. And you can see the short description, SKU, the pictures of the product gallery and the long description. In the additional information, you can view the dimension, weight and the color attribute we added. Also here we can see the upsell links we added. Now you have successfully added a variable product to WooCommerce.